Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2015 MOFFETT M5 50.3. It has a 10-foot mast. It's showing only 866 hours. Now this is a slightly smaller frame, but it still has 5,000 pound lifting capacity. You also have the 10-foot mast, and this thing does weigh less. It weighs on the tag right around 5,700 pounds unladen and unfilled with fluids. Also, I want to let you know that this does have brick and block forks, but if you would like to have pallet forks, ladies and gentlemen, what we can do is switch those out for you for free. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you get a backrest, you have nice tires all the way around. This thing's been completely refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, we take off the roll cage, the hood, the back door, the battery cover. See, these covers have been removed, the diamond plating, the seat. What we do then is paint the gray parts separately that have been removed, and then we can go in there and put it all back together so you have a nice finish of paint in between everything, so you don't get bleed throughs. You get a long lasting finish. You'll be very happy with this. Now this thing's a very compact machine, but it can still get the job done if you need a little bit of lighter machine, ladies and gentlemen. We also go in here and look for things wearable such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers, things wearable. If they're found to be out of spec, they're gone ahead and replaced. Look how nice and deep a rubber we have here, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to show you up underneath here. Look how the paint's way up in there. We don't mess around. We don't just give you a little bit of paint on top, dip it in a little paint and then say it's good. No, it's disassembled, painted, and put back together. Look at the paint job. It goes way up in here in the frame inside. That takes a lot of work, ladies and gentlemen, but we want you to get this and be happy. Also, we pressure and leak test your system. Make sure your hydraulic pump is nice and strong. And then what we do is look at the paint way up in here, ladies and gentlemen. What we do is you have a brand new tire and back also. That way we can make sure your cylinders and your hoses are not leaking. Make sure you have strong wheel motors, strong pump. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to fire it up. Now, you'll get what we call an operational guarantee. What that means is it's going to be in condition I've showed you here today, or we'll back you up, help you get it fixed. Now, that's just between when I do the video and when you get it. Once you get it, and it's the way I've said, that's over, but don't worry. The engine is backed up for an additional 30 days. So you can buy this online, or you can come check it out if you'd like. But either way, we want to give you some business. So here's your Kohler engine coming to life. We're going to go ahead, let me pause it for a minute. We're going to go ahead and fire it up and show you some hydraulic operations. We're not going to fire it up and show you how she operates. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now we're going to get some hydraulics. Here's a mast going up and down, tilt, side shifts, outriggers, mast going in and out. Look how nice she operates, ladies and gentlemen. Why even buy new? Give us a call, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to like this. 260-238-4998. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to end this video. We're going to let you know that you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching this video.